Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shan Yvonne and I'm a wife and stay-at-home mom of two. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'll be posting everything from deep cleaning and organization, cleaning motivation, and stay-at-home mom day in the life videos. Leave me a comment down below. I really enjoy chatting with you guys. So in today's video, I'll be tidying up my kitchen and living room areas. It was really a mess at the end of the day. We had just finished dinner, as you can see, and now it's time to get this together. So my husband always does the dishes at the end of the night. He usually loads the dishwasher. I know you're probably thinking, man, your husband helps a lot, but seriously, this is his chore. I never do the dishes. Right about now, my daughter is trying to sneak some food off the floor. This is her food, all of that. Yep, that's her mess, and she likes to come and eat it off the floor. I don't know why she won't eat it off her high chair, but hey, I had to get her out of there.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love.
I didn't film the cooking portion of this video, but if that's something you guys are interested in seeing, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to do a cook and clean with me video. Y'all, my brush broke, so yeah, it was cheap. I think it was like $3. So moving on, I have a sponge I can use, but I really can't believe it broke while I'm trying to record a video. The audacity.
Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Whoa, know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. and bruised. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
So at this point, it's like 7 o'clock at night. My baby is so sleepy and she just wants her mommy and she wants cuddles, and mama's here to give them to her. Y'all know how it is as moms. We gotta do what we gotta do. I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna love on my baby, and we're gonna get this done so they can go to bed.
Sleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I would do anything, I would do anything for you. You know you're everything, you know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. You know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us.
The last thing I have to do is mop. I'm pretty much gonna mop all the floors and then I'll be done for the night and I can watch some Netflix and chill. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It really makes my day. I enjoy talking to you guys in the comments. I don't know if you can tell, but I love it. It really makes my day talking to y'all. Like, y'all make me laugh, you make me smile, and it feels good. So just thank you for supporting me. I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos, because I will be posting again really soon. Thank you so much. Bye.
Now you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic.